Hey everybody, it is Allison of the Holistic Homesteader. Today I am going to do a Branch Basics laundry detergent review for you guys. Alright, so I'm headed to my laundry room. You have to forgive the mess, right? This is always like the collect-all. Anyway, I'm going to talk about some Branch Basics laundry detergent. I have a full load of laundry here in my washer. Now, something that's probably like not, normal to a lot of people is I don't really stash stuff in a hamper. I'm one of those people where unless it's super, super gross and super dirty, everything goes directly in the washer. I wash everything on extra large load size and cold water temperature, just on the eco normal level, I guess the cycle selection is what they call it. We have a Speed Queen washer. I love this washer. It does phenomenal things. I love a top load. I am very old school. I do not like anything, new techie front loading washers. Like, I'm just not a fan. So I highly recommend Speed Queen. Now to the Branch Basics. In another video, I talked to you guys about how much I loved Branch Basics for laundry detergent and how you can actually take the concentrate and you can turn it into glass cleaner, all-purpose cleaner, all sorts of things. So, and laundry detergent. So today I'm going to show you how exactly it works. So you can actually sign up on the Branch Basics website for auto ship, and I think you get 10 or 15% off, and I think you get free shipping as well. So I have this set to auto ship one of these bottles every 2 months, and that pretty much gets me through. Now I use this detergent for laundry detergent and for window cleaner, and then also for like all-purpose cleaner, but mostly for laundry detergent. And I spend about $40 every 2 months. So I spend about 20 bucks a month to wash our clothes. I do a load of laundry, if not 2, every single day. We have a family of 4. I just like to stay on top of it. As soon as this baby's full, it gets run. And I've trained Harper now that when she notices it's full, then she's learned how to set the washer and how to run it. There we go. I had to get a tripod because my arm is killing me from holding that phone. Anyway, the first time that you order from Branch Basics, you'll get this concentrate if you get like the full size. I think they even have a sample size now, so you get a tiny bottle of this to try it and see if you like it. But you'll get a bottle this size. This is 33.8 fluid ounce. And then you should also get the empty bottles kit. And all of that it ships is the empty plastic bottle. So you're not paying to ship full-size items. It's more cost-effective to send this concentrate and then for you to add your own water than it is to ship all of the items full of water already. So a long time ago, I've been using Branch Basics for probably 2 years. A long time ago, I got the plastic empty bottles. This is the laundry bottle. It makes 32 fluid ounce of laundry detergent at a time. It tells you on the side here how to use it and how to fill it. So it says you are only to use 3/4 of a cap full. And I'll tell you, it is not very much. And when you consider how you make it, we'll run through the steps of how to make it here. It says to fill. It says fill water to water line, then add the concentrate to the soap line. So here is how much water you add. And then you're adding this much of the concentrate. And then you finish filling with water, whatever amount is left. I try to go really, really slow, filling it with water to not make any bubbles. I kind of fill it at an angle and let the water run down into the bottle because it can get really soap bubbly. It's really frothy at the top. So that's a good tip, is to fill it with the faucet on its side, kind of. So you're filling it up with the concentrate, basically half water, half concentrate. And then whenever you go to do a load of laundry, you take the cap off and you're filling this little tiny cap 3/4 of the way full. Now, I'll tell you, I don't do that. I fill this whole thing and I dump it in. So I do add a little bit more than what they call for, but we're homesteaders. Our laundry gets really dirty. We don't work in an office. If you do, your laundry is probably a lot cleaner than ours. But when you're dealing with dogs and chickens and meat chickens and turkeys and gardens, and my husband is a truck driver, so we're constantly dealing with so much dirt and so much grease. That's why these walls are really dark brown. That's intentional. But when you're dealing with that all the time, you know, we have really, really dirty clothes. So to add a little bit more laundry detergent, I don't think is a bad deal. Now, I just received a shipment from Branch Basic, and this goes along with their laundry detergent. You buy this separately. I don't have to buy this all the time. This is the second time I've bought this, and I started using this like 2 years ago. This lasts a long time. This is an oxygen boost. This works like OxyClean, but this is their version of it. This is what I add. I add a scoopful of this to my husband's work clothes. If he has been out in the garage, rolling around on the garage floor, collecting all the dirt, he's covered in grease, he's covered in that really, really thick dirt and dust, and he's just disgusting. This is what I add right here with my laundry detergent. A cup full of this and a scoop full of this. Sometimes for his clothes, I will wash them on hot and then I'll rinse them on cold, but that just depends on the grease level. And I know that's not something that everybody deals with. That's just our life. But I think that should say something for itself, right? That he is a truck driver. He does maintenance his own stuff out in our garage. There's Lennon. Say hi. And, you know, we use this safe laundry detergent, and sometimes this oxygen boost, and his clothes are clean. So I'm going to show you 2 loads of laundry, actually. I'm going to show you this first load is just normal stuff. It is dish towels, it's our clothes, pajamas, regular shirts, socks and undies. There might be a bath towel, maybe a sweatshirt. I'm not real sure what all's in there, but it's just a normal load of laundry. Like I said, when stuff is dirty, we throw it in. When it's full, we wash it. Unless it's really, really gross, then we wash it separately. Now, the second load of laundry I'm going to show you guys is actually a load of Brian's dirty garage clothes. I'll just grab one to show you. Okay, here we are. Yeah, that's pretty dang dirty, right? The shoulders are dirty. You can tell he was rolling around on his back. So that's the second load of laundry, and that's the load that I'll be using on, I'll be doing on probably hot, and then I'll be using a scoop of this oxygen boost too. So I'm going to show you guys what this all looks like after both loads of laundry. I'm just going to wash them. So this first load, normal load, going to go on cold water, and it's just going to be on normal eco with 1 capful of just the laundry detergent. That's it. I'm going to show you that once it's done and clean and dry. And then the second load, same thing, except that I'm going to add a scoop full of this. I'll show you what everything looks like when it's done. Maybe not everything, but I'm going to show you some specific things to show you, hey, check it out. Check out how clean it is and that it is a safer option for you guys. So, all right, hang with me here as I wash these clothes. All right, so I have switched out the laundry. I have Brian's really dirty garage clothes in here. I'm going to add a capful of the laundry detergent and a scoopful of the Oxy Boost. I'm going to wash this on hot and rinse it on hot, I believe. Yeah, just the wash temperature will be hot. And then I'm also going to do an extra rinse on this too. So I'll show you how everything looks when it comes out of the dryer. Okay, so this Oxy Boost comes with a little scooper inside. It's a powder. I have it added down in there. On the back of the bottle, I just noticed that It talks about other uses. You can use this on bathroom tile and grout, carpet, how to use it for a laundry booster, for pre-treating in general stain removal. There are a lot of other uses. I love that about Branch Basic, that their products are so versatile. So, all right, we're gonna turn this on. It's gonna go on hot wash, on heavy duty with an extra rinse. So my first load of laundry is totally done. This load of laundry wasn't really too dirty to begin with. Like I said, we wash everything together. So you can see we have towels in here with, you know, regular clothes, some pajamas for the kids, leggings. Nothing was too dirty to begin with. I love Branch Basics laundry detergent as it is. I will show you what Brian's work clothes, the garage clothes, look like when they come out of the washer. I'll show you here when they're still wet, and then I'll show you once they come out of the dryer. All right, so here are a few of the items coming out of the washer. They are still wet. The pants look pretty good. You have to consider everything was covered in dirt and grease. I washed it on hot on the heavy cycle with the extra rinse. If you guys remember this sweatshirt from earlier, it was really nasty. It's pretty good. We're gonna dry these, and I'll let you know what they look like when they come out of the dryer. Here is all of Brian's work clothes in Riggy, fresh out of the dryer. I just laid everything out on the dining room table to show you how well the Branch Basics laundry detergent and Oxygen Boost, how well they clean this stuff. Now there is still a little bit of a smell to these. Obviously this is like worst case laundry, right? This is about as dirty as it gets, and you can still smell the grease some, but overall everything is clean, and it didn't get the stains out. I wasn't expecting it to, but on really, really dirty garage clothes, I think it did a great job. All right, everybody, I hope you have enjoyed this Branch Basics laundry review. I'm gonna come at you next time with a Branch Basics dishwasher tab review. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for subscribing, and we will see you next time. Bye.